Yatra naryastu pujante ramante tatra devata. Pranam. Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Irfa Khanam. Today I am going to present a poem of mine which is dedicated to all the women's, females or all the girls. And the title is She, the dawn, that means early morning, the early bright morning, and the dawn, getting dawn. So the title is She, the dawn of future or the dawn of future. And the poem is like, she wants to do something great, but certain restrictions were made. Can you imagine this a little bit? No, you can't, because girls are there to take this shit. She was the queen of her story, but they made her a victim for dowry. Can you realize this a little bit? No, you can't, because girls are there to take this shit. You know how it feels when her day and night bleeds. You know how it feels when her day and night bleeds? Can you feel this? No, you can't, because only girls are there to take this shit. She wants to be a matter of pride for her family, but they considered her as a matter of burden. Are you getting this a little bit? No, you ain't, because girls are there to take this shit. How can she be so proud on her beauty? In this case, they rewarded her with acid on her face for debase. Can you bear this? Can you bear this cruelty and brutality? No, you can't, because girls are there to take this shit. Why they think that she is a curse? Why they think that she is a curse? She is a whole universe. Didn't they know that she is a whole universe? Idiot, can't you give a baby boy to us? That is Chirag of our home. Means this is also our fault that God gave her both X chromosomes. This is also our fault that God gave her both X chromosomes. Cases of female feticide are still common. Cases of female feticide are still common. Have any of you ever heard about any male feticide? No, no one. I think no one. It's beyond our imaginations that what were her emotions at the time of being killed in the womb, and remained unborn forever. She bears according to you. She wears according to you. Give her some choices instead of orders. Give her wings instead of prison. Because she can be the dawn of future or the dawn of future. If she can be the Parvati, she can also be the Kali. If she can be the Janaki, she can also be the Durga. So now the choice is yours, because she can be the dawn of future or the dawn of future. And now the choice is yours, because girls are literally not there to take all this shit. Thank you so much, and have a cheerful day. Thank you.